Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. It's an updated video because the last one I did was of my fanny pack for summertime. I never wear my fanny pack in the winter because it's super hard to get over big coats and things like that. So this is going to be my updated bag video. I have a new bag to show you guys and also a bunch of different products that I definitely need, more so in the winter time because in the summertime it's a little bit different. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is my favorite bag of all time. This is my Kupiec bag. Most of you guys may not know this, but I used to be a salesperson at Nordstrom and I worked in the handbags department, and so I got to know handbags really well. Every time I would sell it to a person, I would talk myself into buying it, and then with the perks of working there, I actually ended up getting it on sale. Originally this is like a $400 or $500 bag, but I watched it go on sale, and when I got into work that day, I was like, I need it right away. So I got my discount on top of it, and I ended up purchasing this bag for $137. I honestly still can't believe that I got it for such a good price because this is just the most gorgeous bag. I just love how simple it is and the clean lines. It looks incredible. Also, the strap is perfect for a crossbody, and I can't believe I'm doing this on camera because I did this so many times at my job. But what you can do with the strap is
open it up here, twist it,
and then now you have a shoulder bag. So I love how versatile the strap is because I can wear it like this if I'm going out somewhere, or I can wear it crossbody if I'm going shopping. And then the arrow right here fits perfectly into this little slot, keeping the bag locked. There's a really tiny pouch right there where you can actually put the arrow in, and then the bag actually is magnetic too, so you don't have to worry about it popping open or anything like that. And then on the inside it comes with a mirror that you can actually remove, but I've never removed it. So this is the inside of the bag. It has a front pocket here, and it has a zip up pouch right at the back here if you wanted any of your receipts or anything like that, and then the large pocket in the middle, of course. And then I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but there's a whole bunch of card holder places right here, which I don't personally use because I have a card holder, but that is an option if you wanted it. And then also it has a magnetic pouch right there as well. So this is the overview of the Kupiec bag. I will leave the name up here for you guys because it's been a while. I don't actually remember the name. I'm gonna get into all the stuff that's inside my bag now. So the first item is my Marc Jacobs little card holder. I just have a few cards in here. I really don't like to stuff it too full because then it will lose its shape. The plum color goes really well with the bag. Okay, so the first product in my bag is the Lano hand cream in Coconutter. This is a fairly new product for me. I bought it specifically for the winter because my hands get really dry. I kind of just like bring it with me everywhere and just reapply constantly. Okay, super random, but I have like a bag of Tylenol extra strength. This is just a pen. I thought I have a pen in my bag. This is the Glossier Balm.com in Birthday. It smells so good. The only thing I don't like about these balms is that it doesn't have like a good applicator at the top for you to just like apply it directly to your lips. So that's kind of annoying. This one, however, does have a really good applicator. This is the Lano Lips 101 Ointment Multi-Balm in Coconutter. And this one has a really great applicator on the end right there that you can apply it directly to your lips. That's also really helpful when you're wearing gloves and stuff in the winter time. I have my AirPods in here. I put a little Glossier sticker because my boyfriend and I both have the AirPods and we wanted to tell them apart. So that's the way that I do it. I keep these with me everywhere, not just in my bag, because I'm constantly editing videos, listening to YouTube videos. I always need those with me. The next is another lip product. This is by Tarte in the shade Nude. I am obsessed with their new set lately. These are the Quench lip balms, I believe. And they came out with this really awesome set for the holidays. It was 2 for $24 and originally one is $24. They're really just a tinted lip balm and they are so lovely on the lips. They kind of smell like mint. So really great set, and I really recommend these. They're so not popular at Sephora. I don't understand. Okay, this is just ridiculous. This is another lip balm. This is by Fresh, the peach one. I'm almost done it. I think it should be my goal to finish this off before 2019 is done. What do you guys think? I think I need to get going on most of my Project Pan stuff and just be really serious about it. Okay, as I like scrummaged for some change at the bottom of my bag, I was like, what is that? And then the last thing, which I really want to take a second to talk about, this is the Sage Oil in Unwind. It has a roller ball on one end, and then on the other end it has one of those things that you can pop it into a diffuser. And I love that it's Unwind, because if someone is like bothering me or anything like that, or if I'm just having a stressful day, I will take it and just rub it behind my ears, and just the scent of it is so lovely and it's just so calming. My friend actually bought this for me because I was having a really rough time, and she sent it to me when she was in Australia, and I was like, this is truly what I needed. She sent me like a whole self-care kit. I love this so much. I keep it with me all the time. I have it on my bedside table when I'm in bed. I pop it in my diffuser, but my favorite way to use it is by rolling it underneath my ears, because it just makes me feel so calm and I can use it on the go. So this is probably my favorite thing in my bag. So that finishes it off. I have no more items in my bag. Obviously I have my keys and my gloves, but those are downstairs. So that is everything in this bag. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you guys enjoyed like the whole tour of like what my bag looks like, because I am a sucker for handbags, as I'm sure most of you guys are if you're watching this video. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!